Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hello. Well, this is the calm before the storm. I've come outside to make a video, and the winter storm is about to hit the northeast, and it's really quite comfortable out here. There's snow on the ground, and you can see some snow there, and it's quite comfortable out here, actually. Um, this winter storm is supposed to move in, and hopefully it's the last storm of 2013, but hey, if I can catch some video and post it, I will. Okay, well, everybody else who is in the path of the storms, hunker down and stay warm. Take care.